Welcome back to the shop. Putting objects along a curve. How is that possible? Well, it's possible. Let me show you how it's done. The first thing you want to do is make a shape, any shape, round, square, any kind of shape you can imagine or that your design needs. Make that shape, close the vector when you get it closed. You get close and you let go and then you start again, you'll get that window and then you can close the vector. So you have the vector made, push create so you don't lose it. Now make the object that you want to paste along that curve. It could be a circle, it could be a square. I'm just using a circle here because it's easy. So I like to click off of things and then click back on so I know the order is right. You have to click the object first, push shift, hold it down, and then click and select the curve or the shape. You're up here on the top, you're going to select paste along a curve. You're going to specify the number. I'm going to change this or how many copies to 55. I'm not specifying a distance, but I'm aligning along a curve and I'm going to push paste. And bing, bang, boom, there you go. That's how you do it. Delete the shape you don't want and you can put your objects along any curve. Thanks for watching. I hope you got something out of this. Score 100 perfect. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.